Rather than Baidu, Alibaba, Tencent or Xiaomi topping the iOS App Store with its latest chatbot this week and sending the markets reeling, it is DeepSeek, founded less than 2 years ago, that is being credited with a Sputnik moment in the global AI development race. The upset has come from its claim that it trained an AI model on a par with OpenAI's ChatGPT with less than $6 million. For comparison, Microsoft, OpenAI's primary partner, plans to invest about $80 billion in AI infrastructure this year. So who is behind DeepSeek, and how did it achieve such an impressive and market-moving feat in such a small time?
In an interview with Chinese media last year, after the debut of an earlier AI model that had caused a buzz in industry circles, Liang said, "Our principle is not to lose money, nor to make huge profits. Our starting point is not to take advantage of the opportunity to make a fortune, but to be at the forefront of technology and promote the development of the entire ecosystem."
DeepSeek's research focus is bankrolled by Liang's hedge fund, Highflyer Capital, which he started in 2015. After studying electronic information engineering at Zhejiang University, Liang eschewed programmer jobs at large software companies to focus on his obsession with AI. With Highflyer Capital, Liang used AI to spot patterns in stock prices, generating tons of cash. In 2021, its assets under management reportedly surpassed 100 billion yuan, or 11 billion pounds. That same year, rumors started spreading that Liang had amassed a large collection of NVIDIA graphic processing units, or GPUs. By 2021, he was reported to have bought 10,000 of the chips, seemingly for his personal hobby. Only a handful of large Chinese tech firms have similar reserves of NVIDIA semiconductors. Many people would think that there is an unknown business logic behind this, but in fact it is mainly driven by curiosity, Liang said in 2023. The curiosity was well timed. In 2022, Joe Biden announced sweeping export controls on semiconductors bound for China, aimed at stopping the country from accessing the equipment necessary for rapid AI development. NVIDIA's powerful H100 chip was banned. The company developed the less powerful H800 chips for the Chinese market, which DeepSeek trained its model on, although these were also banned in 2023.
Our biggest challenge has never been money. It is the embargo on high-end chips.
He is reported to be personally involved in DeepSeek's research and has spoken about how he prefers to hire local talent for the company's campus in Hangzhou, the eastern Chinese city where Alibaba is also based, rather than workers who have studied in the US or overseas. That makes DeepSeek's success all the more striking. The US has traditionally been in the lead in the AI race with China, dominating the most advanced chip-making equipment and producing top-tier talent from its universities. The launch of DeepSeek's powerful model suggests that Chinese scientists, as predicted, have found a way around the US restrictions intended to prevent them from catching up. That may prompt further tightening of US controls or undermine the idea that they can work effectively. Beyond DeepSeek, many Chinese AI firms are struggling to develop without access to advanced GPUs.
Whatever the Trump administration decides about export controls, it will likely cause an even greater split over AI between the US and its close friends and the rest of the world, and especially the global South.
Some analysts and investors have expressed skepticism about DeepSeek's market-rattling claims.
The Chinese labs have more H100s than people think. I believe DeepSeek has a stockpile of advanced chips that it has not disclosed publicly because of the US sanctions.
DeepSeek has been approached for comment.